Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Jaya Madhya Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
One morning many people came to Akrura Tirtha. They came from Vrindavana. They made a tremendous song. Prabhu Deki Kālīya Lake Charana Vandana. Prabhu ke hai kaha hai te Kālīya Gamana. Upon seeing Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all the people offer respect at his lotus feet. The Lord then asked, where are you all coming from? Loka ka hai Kṛṣṇa prakaka Kālīya Dahjale Kālīya Shire Nitakare Mana Ratna Jale. The people replied, Krishna again manifested himself in the water of Kālīya Lake. He danced on the hooves of a serpent Kālīya, and the jewels on the hooves are blazing. Saksha Dekila Loka Naika Samshaya Shuni Hashika He Prabhu Sabha Satyaya. Everyone has seen Lord Krishna himself. There is no doubt about it. Hearing this, Sri Chaitanya began to laugh. He then said, everything is correct. Looked at Chaitanya and said, everybody has seen Krishna. Chaitanya started smiling. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Hey Mata Dina Rati Loke Ragamana Save Ashika He Krishna Pailun Darshana. For 3 successive nights, people went to Krishna Daha to see Krishna, and everyone returned saying, now we have seen Krishna himself. Prabhu Age Kahe Loka Shri Krishna Dekhila Saraswati E Vakya Satya Kaila. Everyone came before Sri Chaitanya Prabhu said, now we have directly seen Lord Krishna. That's why the mercy goddess of learning were made to speak the truth. Mahaprabhu Dekhi Satya Krishna Darashana Nija Jnane Satya Chadi Asatya Satya Brahma. When people saw Sri Chaitanya Prabhu, they actually saw Krishna, but they were following their own imperfect knowledge and they accepted the wrong thing as Krishna. Bhattacharya Tavaka He Prabhu Racharane Agna Deha Yehi Kari Krishna Darashane. At that time, Balabhadra Bhattacharya placed a request at the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He said, please give me permission to go see Lord Krishna directly. Purport by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The puzzled people who visited Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu were actually seeing Lord Krishna, but they were mistaking in thinking that Lord Krishna has come to Kālīya Lake. They all said that they have seen Krishna directly performing his past in the hood of the serpent Kālīya, and the jewels in the Kālīya hood are blazing brilliantly. But they were speculating with their imperfect knowledge. They saw Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as an ordinary human being and boatmen's light in the lake as Krishna. One must see things as they are through the mercy of a spiritual master. Otherwise, if one tries to see Krishna directly, it will mistake an ordinary man for Krishna or Krishna for an ordinary man. Everyone has to see Krishna according to the verdict of the Vedic literature presented by the self-realized spiritual master. A sincere person is able to see Krishna through the transparent via media of his Sri Guru Deva, the spiritual master. Unless one is enlightened by the knowledge given by the spiritual master, he cannot see things as they are, even though he remains constantly with the spiritual master. The incident in the Kālīya Lake is very instructive for those eager to advance in Krishna consciousness. Very nice. So what is happening is that Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurubhye Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Bhashad Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in a place. He has come to Vrindavan. A lot of people are coming every day to that particular place, and he is saying that that same place This is the place where Kṛṣṇa had long time again shown that Kālīya Lake, exactly the place itself is Kālīya Lake, where Kṛṣṇa had 5,000 years ago, he had Kālīya snake, Kṛṣṇa had done that, he had punished him. In the same place, what was happening in the night, one boatman was doing boating, and he has lighted it. Boatman in the boat is there, and lighted it. So boatman in the night is doing fishing, but Janagi at a distance notara ki Kṛṣṇa Kālīya ke dance ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ? I told them this story. Actually, Kṛṣṇa ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು ವೃಂದಾವನ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ ಕಾಲಿಯದ. ನಾವು 5,000 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇದೆ ಲೀಲಾ ಕೊಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಲಿಯ ದಹ ಲೀಲಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಾಲಿಯಾಗೆ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಕಾಲಿಯದ ತುಂಬ ಪಾಯ್ಸನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 5,000 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಂದೆ. ಇದು 500 ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಚೇತನ್ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಥಳ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚೇತನ್ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು ಸ್ಥಳ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೀರ್ತನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ವೃಂದಾವನ ದರ್ಶನ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಚೇತನ್ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭುಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಫಿಶರ್ಮನ್ ಮೇನುಗಾರ ಪ್ರತಿ ರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ ಫಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಬೋಟ್ಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಜನಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಜನ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು ಕಾಲಿಯಾಗೆ ಮಣಿ ಇದೆನಾ, ಕಾಲಿಯಾಗೆ ಮಣಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕೃಷ್ಣದು 5,000 ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಜನಗೆ ಭ್ರಮ, ಇದು ಫಿಶರ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲಿಯ ಇದೆ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕಾಲಿಯಾಗೆ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1,000 ಜನ ಪ್ರತಿ ರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ತುಂಬ ಜನ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೇತನ್ ಬಾಬುಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ now Prabhupada is explaining, if you do not have guidance of a guru, you do all this nonsense. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself. They are thinking he is an ordinary person. And that fisherman, they are thinking he is Krishna. Because they don't know what they are seeing in dark night. Actually, fisherman is doing fishing. And it came to such an extent that whole 1,000 people are coming. Balabhadra Bhattacharya is a Vaishnava, come to do service to Lord Chaitanya. He is feeling also there is some truth in it. And he came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, give me permission. I also want to see Krishna. Krishna is in front of him. That is not understanding, or he has some understanding. Actually, he told many times Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you are Krishna, but now he also fell into Brahman. That must be there is some truth in it. Tave tane kahe Prabhu chapad Maria. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave him a slap. मूर्खेरा वाक्या मूर्खा हैला पंडिता हया. And Balabhadra Bhattacharya asked to see Krishna at Kālīya Lake. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu mercifully slapped him. You are a learned scholar, but you have become a fool, influenced a statement of other fools. That's what happens. So many people in Kālīya start dancing, I am God, and crowd will go. Okay? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave a slap. What is this nonsense? Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Maya is so strong that even a person like Balabhadra Bhattacharya was constantly staying with Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, influenced with the birds and the food. He wanted to see Krishna directly by going to Kālīya Lake. But Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, being the original spiritual master, would not allow his servant to fall into such foolishness. He therefore chastised him, slapping him just to bring him to the real sense of Krishna consciousness. Krishna kena darshana dive kali kale nija brahma murka loka kare kolale. Why will Krishna appear in the age of Kali? Foolish person mistaking us, simply calling agitation and making a tumult. Simply people making themselves agitated unnecessarily. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, first statement, Kṛṣṇa Kena Darshana Dive Kali Kālīya refers to scriptures. According to the scripture, Kṛṣṇa appears in Dwapara Yuga, but he never appears himself in Kali Yuga. Rather, he appears in Kali Yuga in a covered form, as stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Kṛṣṇa Varnam Tusha Krishnam Sangopangasapanasharam. Kṛṣṇa appears in Kali Yuga in the garb of a devotee. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who always associated with his internal soldiers, Advaita Acharya, Shri Nityananda Prabhu, Shivaswarupa, and Gadadhara Prabhu. All the Balabhadra Bhattacharya personally serving Lord Kṛṣṇa in his role as a devotee, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He mistook Lord Kṛṣṇa for an ordinary man for Lord Kṛṣṇa, because he did not follow the rules set down by the Shastra and Guru. Vatula na hoya ghore rahata vashiya Krishna dara shana kariya kali ratreyaya. Do not become mad. Please sit down here. Tomorrow night you will go to see Krishna. Prata kale bhavyaloka prabhu sane ayla. Krishna dekhi ayla prabhu tanara kuchila. The next morning, some respectable gentlemen came to see Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and the Lord asked them, have you seen Krishna? Lokaka he ratara kala varta naukate chadiya Kālīya Lake masya mare doviti advaliya. The respectable gentlemen replied, at night in Kālīya Lake, a fisherman lighting a torch in his boat catches many fish. Dura haite taha dekhi loke rahaya brahma Kālīya re sharira Kṛṣṇa kariya che nartana. From a distance, people mistakenly think that they are seeing Krishna dancing on the body of the Kālīya serpent. Naukate Kālīya jnana dipe ratna jnane Jaliya re muda loka Kṛṣṇa kari mane. These fools think that the boat is the Kālīya serpent and the torchlight the jewels on his sword. People have mistaken the fisherman to be Krishna. Vrindavane Krishna aila sei satyahaya Krishna radhe kira loka iha mityanaya. Actually, Lord Krishna has again returned to Vrindavana. That also is the truth. And people have seen it. Kintu koha Krishna dekhe koha brahma mane Sare purushe aiche viparite jnane. But where they are seeing Krishna is their mistake. It is like considering a dry tree to be a person. The word sthana means a dry tree without leaves. From a distance one mistakes the tree for a person. Tree with branches. From a distance you can think it is a person. No leaves, leaves are not there. It looks like a person. Sthana. This is called Sthana Purusha. Although Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was living in the Vrindavana, inhabitant considered him to be ordinary human being, and they mistook the fisherman to be Kṛṣṇa. Every human being is prone to make such mistake. Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was mistaken for an ordinary sannyasi. The fisherman was mistaken for Kṛṣṇa, and the torchlight was mistaken for a bright jewels and